Hello and Assalamu alaikum, my name is Sabina and this is my December 2021 newsletter video blog summary. This month was another excruciatingly painful month for my left shoulder. Hopefully I should be having a procedure in the new year to help with pain relief. I participated and attended the World Pulse Community Mental Programme 2021. Congratulations to all the mentors and mentees who participated. And finally, after 30 long years, I wrote about my invisible disabilities and the last 4 years of chronic pain in a blog. Thank you so much for watching and wishing everybody a very happy 2022. May 2022 bring us good health, happiness and prosperity. Take care. Bye for now. Wa alaikum assalam.